don't feel weak, but I do need sometimes for her to protect me and reconnect me to the beauty that I'm missing. So in January, we're getting married. No longer does it matter what circumstances we were born in. She knows which birds are singing and the names of the trees when they're performing in the morning. And in January